So Rob, one of the key benefits Cisco talked about when launching intent-based networking was all around cost control. So can you elaborate a little bit for me more on that?
I can, and that's a really important point that you make, Hannah. So the statistics tell us that for every dollar that is ever spent on a network during its life, 75 cents of that dollar will be spent on operations. So that's after the network has gone in and has become operational. It's the keeping the lights on cost, which, frankly is ridiculous. 75% of the cost of the whole life of that network is just keeping the lights on. And clearly that's unsustainable. So one of the benefits of the intent-based networking strategy is that we create a software overlay model on top of our network, and it's at the software layer that we now apply our changes, our policy, in our intent, as in intent-based networking. What that basically allows us to do is we apply a policy once from a centralised controller, and that policy is then pushed down to potentially hundreds of devices underneath. That dramatically reduces the operational cost phase of that network, and also has the ongoing benefit, of course, of freeing up budget that was previously used just to keep the lights on, that could now be potentially used for other much more interesting projects, which allow IT to start to become a value centre to the business that they work for, rather than just a cost centre.
Sounds great.